Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make healthy coleslaw salad. First, select your main ingredients, fresh cabbage and carrots. Shred them finely for a delightful crunch. Next, prepare a lighter dressing that enhances rather than overwhelms the vegetables. We'll skip the traditional mayonnaise-heavy versions. This approach ensures your coleslaw is both delicious and nutritious, perfect for any meal. Let's get started on this simple, yet flavorful, recipe. The secret to healthy coleslaw lies in its dressing. Instead of heavy mayonnaise, we'll use a base of apple cider vinegar and a small amount of olive oil. A touch of honey balances the tanginess, while Dijon mustard and celery seeds add depth. Whisk these ingredients together until well combined. Remember to taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. This light dressing truly lets the fresh vegetables shine.
If you're finding these tips helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for storing your healthy coleslaw or any other delicious meals you prepare. You can find the link to these containers and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now let's prepare our vegetables. Take 1 medium head of green cabbage and 2 carrots, then finely shred them. You can use a mandolin or a food processor for consistent results. For an extra layer of flavor and a pop of color, consider adding a small amount of thinly sliced red onion. Once all your vegetables are ready, place them in a large mixing bowl. We're almost ready to combine them with our delicious dressing. With your vegetables prepped and your dressing ready, it's time to bring it all together. Pour the light and tangy dressing over the shredded cabbage and carrots. Using tongs or a large spoon, gently toss everything until every piece of vegetable is evenly coated. This ensures every bite is bursting with flavor. For the best taste, cover the bowl and refrigerate your coleslaw for at least 30 minutes before serving. This chilling time allows the flavors to fully meld.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.